What's going on, everybody? We are going to use this Bond Craftor Mulch glue, super glue, mega locking technology. All right, so we're going to get into all of that. It says it's pet friendly, water resistant, long lasting, and strong adhesion. For the ratio for this, it says water will be 50 to 70%, and then the content is 25 to 50%. So we're going to do 50% water and 50% content. And they give you 5 pair of gloves with this content right there in the back. All right. So again, make sure you wear your proper PPE because skin irritation, eye irritation. I'm going to do the first coat. They say do 2 to 3 coats, but we usually do 2 coats. And yeah, let's go. All right, you guys. I'm about to add the glue. Put some gloves on. You know, I messed up my good pants last time I used mulch glue, and I was mad. But it is what it is. The pants I buy is cheap. Maybe like cheap TJ Maxx or something, some on clearance for like $10. I'm not in getting expensive clothes. So, put these gloves on, PPE. Gonna pop this top open. Oh, and then see what I said? Ah, got it on my coat. All right, got the glue right there. All right, now we're gonna put the glue in here and make it go to where we at. Should be at 1 gallon, so we're gonna bring it to the 2 gallon mark. Maybe I should be doing this on the grass. Nice and milky. Smells just like Elmer's glue. Do they even make Elmer's glue anymore? So we're doing 1 to 1. All right. I gotta go to the store and get more mulch, but we're just doing a tester right now. And they do have 1.1 gallons, so we do have a little bit left over. Is that at the 2 gallon mark? Yep, we at the 2 gallon mark. That was our top. All right, put the gloves away. Now we can get to spraying. All right, everyone. So we have this 2 gallon electric sprayer right here. I needed this because the heart sprayer died on me. Don't know why. On. Oh, this spray is good. So this spray is good, you guys. I mean, I'm getting my plants, but the closer you get, the better. That way it's not blowing everywhere. Because I don't want to stick my Japanese tree to the ground. So let me see if I can get under real quick. All right, so the purpose for gluing, if people want to know, glue is good if you want to, not have your mulch blow everywhere when you leaf blowing all of your grass. When you cutting the grass and stuff, because when you cut the grass, a lot of grass get on your mulch. And that way, when you blow, you're not blowing your mulch away. When you're blowing off of your mulch, all the grass away from your mulch, and you can keep your mulch still. So that's the purpose of the glue. I personally like it when I put it on my pebbles. If you haven't seen none of my videos, I'll link it at the end of this video of me doing all of my pebbles. It's pretty cool. It's fun. Now they said put 2 coats on, 2 to 3 coats when it comes to mulch or places where it's going to be very damp. And mulch always very damp. That's the purpose of mulch. Mulch is to retain moisture for your trees and plants. That way you don't have to go out and water your plants every day. So that's the purpose of mulching. And it's to make your house look good for the homeowner associations or for yourself. So I might be doing this a couple of more times. But as far as the product goes, I want to go ahead and show y'all what it looks like when you spray it on mulch and let it dry. So we're not going to do this until maybe like 2 more days, and then I'll release the review. Oh yeah, and we got a measurement on the side. All right, so is it in gallons, liters? All right, so it's in ounces and liters, you guys. I'm a gallons type of guy. All right, so I think we sprayed pretty good. We'll give it one last coating going around. Again, I'm not going to do the very edges until I get my edger. It's almost like the same one that I reviewed. If you run empty and you're not going to use it again until maybe 2 or 3 days, clean it with water. All right. So I'm gonna do it for day 2. We'll come back out and then we'll check how hard it is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and I put in almost a whole gallon, and I have to say it is pretty good. Now, it's not solid as a rock because my mixture was half and half. If I did my mixture maybe like 60% or 70% chemicals, then it will probably be solid as a rock. But I use 50-50 because this is my first time using it on mulch, and I have to say that it's decent. The only one that's blowing is the ones that's under the Japanese tree. For the most part, it's good. Don't have to worry about the mulch no more. So when you cutting your grass, you can go ahead and cut all the grass. The grass can get into the bed and you don't have to worry about nothing. You can go and blow it all out. You don't have to worry about chips and stuff getting into the lawn or anything. Look at that. Turbo. Amazing, you guys. So it is solid, but again, if you want it solid as a rock, put more chemicals in there. Okay, they also said in the instructions to put more layers on if you're using mulch. So that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.